guys, welcome back to Mummy Cooks Homemade. We have a collaboration today. We have date night, dinner night. So, and this is with Joy over at Living with Joy. And you all know the beautiful Fiona at Fiona in her kitchen. I'll tell you more about them after I show you this. So, I'm starting with pudding because I need to set this overnight. And this is a chocolate tart. If in doubt, go for the easy option. So this is me realising that I should have used a bigger bowl. But even with that realisation, I still carry on. Well, what can I say, guys? You all know me by now. Still carefully plodding on, look, rather than messing up that bowl and just using another. So unfortunately, I think I forgot to show you one or two steps in this. But I've got no doubt I'll be remaking it again soon anyway, so I'll do it as a separate video. Just, yeah, it was a long day yesterday, what can I say? So that's for the base. Just basically the same as a cheesecake base. Mix up some butter with it. I can't believe it's not butter. Sorry. I shall endeavour to be serious. And I'm going to put some golden syrup, because I don't love golden syrup. You can use golden syrup or honey actually. And then you're going to mix that into the base. And there's my elbow, looking a bit crusty. Mix it up. Mix it up good. If anyone does want the recipe for this, then I can leave it under the video. That's not a problem. So while I'm doing this base, which is 400 grams of digestives, 200 grams of butter, I'm going to do what I usually do, put it into a base, but I'm going to take it up the sides. Put it into a base, put it into a tin, but I'm going to take it up the sides. I had a little extra for some reason, so I just made three little ramekins worth. And the kids have already eyeballed those, so they'll be gone today. So yeah, just put it in like you would your cheesecake. And while I'm doing this, I'm melting the chocolate in a double boiler on the oven. Let's see, there we are. All I'm doing now it's melted, is I've put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And you're just going to mix that up. If you find it's too thick, with this, I was going to say, with this recipe as well being the main flavour is chocolate, I would use a decent chocolate. This does mix in, guys. Just keep it over that double boiler. If you find it starting to seize, take some boiling water and put it in a tablespoon at a time and keep stirring, and it will come back, I promise you. Can you tell I've done that before? So there, that's what you want. As I say, I put 2 in. See, I'm sticking my fingers up. So I'm putting in 400 mils, and I'm going to show you, if he's shown you, I hope he has, because I did it for a reason. Let's see. I want 400 mils altogether. No, 274. I'm showing you what a pot of that cream is, and it says 300, and I got 274 mils out of it. And that is the same for all creams. There is never the right amount. So please don't rely on these for your recipes. If you have ever failed on recipes, it's probably why, because there isn't, for example, 300 mils in there. Here I go. Stressing. No, but I'm just saying, I've said it before, that there isn't that amount in there. So I'm just adding some lemon juice into there. I'm adding it because it thickens the cream up quicker and I'm lazy. So you wait for this to cool as much as you can, and then put the cream into it a little bit at a time and fold it through, or just whisk it through like I do. By the time you've whisked in the second lot, that chocolate's going to be about the same temperature as your cream. That is all there is to this, guys. It's so simple. It's no bake. And you get such a nice tart out of it as well. And it sets up really, really nice. My kids tried to mow me down to get to that tub of cream. There we go. There was too much of this, so I used it in the thingy as well. In the ramekins. You think that's going to spill down the sides, don't you? But it doesn't. So here's my ramekins as well. And you don't waste this, guys. Just get it into another container. There you go. We don't do waste in this house. If you really, really enjoy chocolate and dark chocolate, you can switch this out for dark. So this is Living with Joy's channel. It will be linked below. You can see daily living, farm shop hauls, what I eat in a day, cleaning vlogs. She's done a former collaboration with Victoria Jane as well. A lot of hauls with Ocado. Yeah, so go and have a look at her channel, and there's the beautiful Fiona's. Everybody knows Fiona. There we go. Everybody knows Fiona's channel. I don't need to say anything. Go over to their channels, guys. Honestly, please show some support for this collaboration. Oh, don't know what he was doing there. So this looks gross. So this is from the Fat Butcher. This is what I decided to make. Oh, yay. That in my bag is all flavour. I don't mind getting my hands stuck in there to get the flavour out. I think when they do these, they throw the racks of ribs in bags and then throw the powdered flavouring in there. And then the juice from the racks of ribs obviously dissolves the powder. And there was me not taking enough notice. I do realise soon that there was actually 2 racks there, Hayley. You dozies. Oh. I do put it in like that and all. But trust me, I do realise. Oh my word, I tell you. Some people haven't got the common sense of born with. Oh, there's a pooch. So, what was the flavour of them ribs? Oh, I'm trying to think now. Sticky sweet chilli or something. Can't remember. It was nice anyway. Loads of meat on them. Here I go, look. Just wing it early. Make out that you always knew it was supposed to be like that. Oh dear, look. Now I'm going to realise. Oh, look, there's 2 racks. Yeah, of course we knew it was supposed to be like that. Yeah. That's me not paying attention, you see. That was me feeling half stupid and then thinking, ooh, more food. As you can see, it was properly cooked. Don't worry about that, guys. We didn't die. I like to show you all this stuff. I could have cut it out, you know. But why? It's funny. You're supposed to have fun when you're cooking. Even if it makes you look stupid. Oh dear. That was me taking more notice of the bag than the meat, to be perfectly honest. Oh well. I've tried the barbecue flavour in the ribs as well. Beautiful. So, this is the Chinese rice that I did with it. So, we've got some oil in there. Some garlic. This is really quick to make. I've crushed 3 cloves. Doesn't look like it, but I have. Some spices. Yes, I can put this down for you in the description. If you would like it, just ask. This rice takes about 5 minutes to do, because you cook the microwave rice and add it to all of this. Make sure you fry off them spices, guys, and it brings out the flavour. So what you're going to add in is some cranberry and pistachios. Cook them off for a moment. I got the XL cranberries, so I've heated that up in the microwave. That's all I've done. This isn't rocket science, it's so easy and fast. Don't mind that bag there on the door. I always keep one on the door. So, in with your liquid. Again, I will list it if anyone wants it. This is absolutely beautiful, this rice. My mother-in-law really likes this rice. And she doesn't like cranberries. See, anyone can chuck it into a pan. It's no hardship. Just adding them few extra things changes up the rice. Add some parsley. Always looks better if you add a bit of shrubbage. And there's the ribs. They are not burnt. That's just the glaze on it. And that knife went straight down there. Oh. Maple sweet chili. That was the exact flavour. Just trying to think. And the Chinese ones were absolutely beautiful. Here comes the dog, look. Mum, I smell meat. Is there some there for me? So I'm just tacking away. So I'm plating up the rice. And the ribs. I'm not that good at plating up, guys, to be honest. And there is the pudding. I forgot to show you putting the cream on, I do apologise. I left it to set in the fridge overnight. And there's the other 3. So yeah, that's the chocolate tart that we had. So guys, thank you so much. If you watch this, please go along to the other ladies and show some support. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks ladies, bye. And gents, sorry.